Hey friends, if you encounter activation error 0xC004F015 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So the first solution will be to run the activation troubleshooter. Now, if you're facing this activation error on the same page, you will notice this troubleshoot button. I don't have it on my system because I don't have any such issue. All you need to do is click on this and run the troubleshooter. The next one is to check the product key, and I'll tell you the right method to do that. Search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now search for product key, okay, and go to Showkey Plus. Showkey Plus is the app that we will download and install. Click on install. It will need a few seconds to install. Now the reason I prefer this app is because it will give us a lot more detail, not just the activation key but a lot more detail. It makes our life easier, and I always keep it installed on my system whether I need it or not. So it is preparing to download, and once it downloads we will just click on open. Okay, I'll click on open and it's opening here. Okay, once it opens, we will go to the main page and it will show us the key, and this is the key that we need to verify. Now if it is an OEM key like it is on my system, then I can only use it on the system on which it was installed. If it was a retail key, I could use it on other systems as well, but only one or two at a time depending upon the policy of the key. And if it's a volume licensing key, then there may be issues. You'll have to talk to the organization which was allotted that volume licensing key. So in my case, it's an OEM key and it will only work on my computer. This has to be verified. Okay, and the last one is SFC scan now. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.